Kunstadter. I am a dentist, a mother and a grandmother, and I won't tell you about my grandkids today. I will if you ask me. And I am the co-founder and CEO of the TeleDentists. We are the first virtual dental consult company ever. We started in 2014, developed the concept, the platform, etc., and it's grown into a big industry, which we're very excited to see and happy to talk about how it will help every DSO.
First and foremost, I wanted to ask the panelists, how are some of the economic pressures affecting your growth strategies for your dental practice or DSO today? What are some of the things that are top of mind for you as you're thinking about the decisions you need to make for the future? So Brad, we'll start with you.
Look at growth, especially in times where you're having different pressures to cut costs and manage things a little bit tighter.
Yeah, that's great. We're the TeleDentists, so we are seeing, did you know the average dental practice is open 24% of the time of the week? So 76% of the time, a lot of discussions have been talking about patient care. 76% of the time, they're relying on your website or your answering machine to contact you. And we did a nationwide survey on after hours care, and in our survey, 0% of the offices on these wonderful websites. We spend tons of money on websites to get patient acquisition, right? So we spend all this money on SEOs and websites, and 0 practices nationwide had any options for patients that weren't patients of record. 0. So when someone came to these wonderful websites that wasn't your patient of record, they had no options of what to do. So where do they go? Do they hang around until you're open the next day? No, they go to the next website until they find care. Now, I can't tell you how many times we get calls from patients that say, I have a dentist and I have an appointment next week and I'm in pain and I can't get a hold of them. And shame on our profession that happens to your patients, but we get those patients all the time. And then dropping into, we're talking patient care. You want these patients to stay loyal and trust you. Dropping into the patients of record on that survey, we get the answering machine and they say, here's what you're going to do, step 1, step 2. Some people did have an answering service that then didn't pick up the phone. It was really random. I don't know if this is your DSO or your practice, but go and see what in that 76% of the time your patients are experiencing. But our favorite one was, if this is a dental emergency, call us during regular business hours. Wait a minute. So anyway, the TeleDentists, we are very happy to be that, don't leave your patients hanging, let them talk to a real dentist. And it reduces it's great patient acquisition, to be able to talk to a dentist, get care when you need it. And it's shown that businesses that address patients in their time of need